Hi, my name is Nicole Van Buskirk with the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to this spacious one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo. Directly off to your right, you have a Galloway kitchen with plenty of counter space and storage. And a little further down the hallway, you have an open concept dining room and living area with this beautiful stone fireplace. Going out your sliding glass doors, you'll be welcomed by the fresh air and views from your courtyard facing patio. Going down the hallway, you will find this oversized bedroom with plenty of space for your bedroom furniture. You will have a large walk-through closet which leads into your full bathroom. And you have a stacked washer and dryer. The Hillcrest Park Condominiums is a gated community with a clubhouse, gym, and pool. There is also a children's playground, an on-site laundromat, and many different landscaped common areas. You can call or text us at this number, and don't forget to follow us on social media. We'll see you at the next one.
This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.